Guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is basically like products that I buy from Amazon kind of a video. Now I watched Susan Yara from Mixed Makeup do a video like this, I want to say a couple of months ago, and I realized that most of the time I'm either shopping from brand websites like be it Oz Rhythm, be it Plum, a lot of brands, even Minimalist, I mainly buy from the brand website. And then there are some products that I buy from Nykaa. I still do tend to buy some products from Nykaa, and most of the products I'm going to talk about in today's video, which I buy from Amazon, I mainly buy them from Amazon because maybe they're not on offer on Nykaa that often, or maybe they're mostly out of stock on Nykaa a lot of times. So yeah, you can find them on Nykaa as well, but I tend to mostly buy them from Amazon. So yeah, I just wanted to share it. There are other products also that I do buy from Nykaa which I can buy from Amazon, but these are the ones that I have bought either once or maybe multiple times from Amazon. So yeah, I just thought of sharing like an Amazon beauty buys video with you guys. So yeah, that's what it's going to be about, and let's jump right into it. So I don't have a lot of products that I do buy from Amazon. Like I mostly buy like books and stuff like novels from Amazon, not so many beauty products, but these are the couple of ones that I do buy. So the first one has to be probably the only non-cruelty free product that I don't buy anymore, but I've bought this in the past maybe like 3 or 4 times from Amazon, and that is the Face Shop Spot Patch Kit. Now again, this is available on Nykaa, but I feel like on Nykaa this particular product is not really on offer that much, whereas if you compare the price on Amazon and Nykaa, it's much cheaper on Amazon. So every single time I've bought it in the past, I've bought it from Amazon, and basically what these are is they're pimple patches. So I have been trying to find cruelty-free pimple patches, and I did find one on Amazon which is by the brand Spot Patch, and I do own them and I've been using them a little bit, and maybe by the time you watch this video I might do like a video in the next couple of days, like a favorites and fails video where I will share in-depth thoughts. Like this video I am super duper pre-filming, so do keep that in mind, but as of now I haven't really noticed much. Like I don't think that the Spot Patch brand of Spot Patches is better than the Face Shop ones. I do think that the Face Shop ones are better, even though unfortunately they aren't cruelty free. I will be trying out the CosRX Spot Patches next as well. Like those have been like talked about for a very long time, and of course I will have to buy them from like a K-beauty website and stuff. But if you are someone who doesn't have a problem buying from non-cruelty free brands, then I would recommend the Face Shop Spot Patch Kit, because I think it's definitely much better than the Spot Patch brand. So yeah, you can check it out. Another product that I basically buy from Amazon like all the time, like I feel like this is the product I buy the most from Amazon, and that is my favorite Tricone sunscreen. Now this one is, the MRP is $5.95 actually, but on Amazon you can find it at like $350, $400 a lot of times. So I actually get it at a very good price, like easily 30-40% off on Amazon all the time. So yeah, every single time I've bought this product, which is like 5-6 times at this point, like I've bought a lot of tubes and I've gone through a lot of tubes of this product. You will be seeing my most repurchased products video in June, and you will see how many tubes I've gone through of that sunscreen in my June video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's one of my absolute favorite sunscreens. I've spoken about it multiple times. Love it, recommend it. I continue to buy it, and I buy it all the time from Amazon. Moving on, next, this is a product I've reviewed and spoken about in the past. I haven't repurchased it because I feel like it's not necessarily geared for someone like me, to be very honest, but it's the Dr. Sheth's BHA serum. Now this one I wanted to mention in this video because when it was a more newer launch, I think it was available only on the Dr. Sheth's website and on Amazon, and I ended up buying it from Amazon. You can buy it from Nykaa again if you want to, but then when I bought it, I got it at like maybe 20% off from Amazon or something like that. But yeah, this is a really good BHA, but it's a very gentle BHA, and that's the reason why I feel like there are other BHAs that I personally prefer over the Dr. Sheth's one. But if you are someone who has more like dry skin or very sensitive skin and you want a very gentle BHA, I do recommend the Dr. Sheth's one. And I feel like if you are looking to purchase it, compare prices on Amazon, Nykaa, and the Dr. Sheth's website. And if you want to buy other products from Dr. Sheth's, you can probably buy it from the website, because then you'll get free shipping also. I don't know if you will get free shipping if you buy only this product. So yeah, do keep that in mind. Anyways, moving on. Another product similar to the Tricon sunscreen I mentioned earlier. This is again, I've bought like multiple bottles of this, and most of the time it's out of stock on Nykaa, which is why I buy it from Amazon. And that is the VLCC sunscreen body lotion SPF 30. I think it's called the Detan sunscreen, I think. That has a yellow packaging, obviously like most VLCC products, but then it has a green color label. So yeah, this is one of my favorite SPF body lotions. And yeah, again, I've bought so many bottles of this. You will see a few of the empty bottles in my most repurchased products video in June, so again, stay tuned. I've spoken about this in again multiple multiple videos in the past as well. It's a really nice lightweight body lotion, again has an SPF 30, and yeah, I don't know what else to say because I feel like I'm always constantly repeating the same thing in most videos. I just wanted to quickly mention it. And yeah, let's move on. Another product, I feel like I've used up multiple bottles. It's my favorite, tried and true, and on Nykaa I feel like this particular variant, like other variants might have an offer, this particular variant doesn't really have much of an offer, and that is the Batiste dry shampoo in Divine Dark. I feel like the regular variants like the fruity one, the floral, the coconut even, I feel like those variants, which are the MRP is 550, goes on offer sometimes and you can get it around 400 and stuff. But the Divine Dark, I think the MRP is 750, and this one doesn't really go on offer ever, but I buy it at like 500 bucks on Amazon so many times. So yeah, I would highly check out if you're looking at buying the Batiste Divine Dark. Check out Amazon, you will probably find it at like around 500, 550. So yeah, that's why I always buy this particular one from Amazon all the time, literally all the time. Moving on next to the last product. Now this one I'm pretty sure is only available on Amazon. I'm pretty sure, I'm like 90% sure, and that is the Urban Botanics moisturizer. Again, this is one I've spoken about recently on YouTube, on Instagram, so I'm not going to go too much in detail about it again. It's a great moisturizer. I feel like suitable for not very oily skin, but like combo oily, normal, or normal dry, like combination dry. I feel like very dry skin it might not be enough. But yeah, I feel like it's a great, nice lotion kind of a consistency. It's fragranced, and the fragrance is a little bit intense, which I'm not the biggest fan of. But apart from that, I feel like it's very affordable. You get a ton of product, and it's suitable for a variety of like different skin types. And yeah, it's a great product. Because I've spoken so much about it, I have a review video also up, not a review video, a review post that's up on Instagram as well, which you can go and check it out. And I did a reels very recently where I showed you the texture and application and stuff, so again, you can check that out as well on Instagram. But yeah, those are all the products that I tend to buy from Amazon. And yes, if you were doing shorts like throughout this video, and if you did, like if you took a shot every single time I did Amazon, like I said Amazon, you're probably drunk by now, and I apologize for that. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. I know it was not the most, what do you say, interesting video or anything like that, but I really wanted to do a video like this because I feel like I do Nykaa hauls all the time. Whenever I'm buying from Amazon, I think it's just like 1 or 2 products. I don't buy like a ton of stuff, so yeah, it never makes sense to like do a haul. But I feel like I still wanted to share, like with certain products you can get great deals on Amazon, and these are products that I recommend very often, so I feel like I want to tell you that you can get it at better prices on Amazon instead of buying it elsewhere. So yeah, I hope that this video was still helpful, and you can probably remember these tips and these products the next time you're shopping on Amazon, or in case you want to buy any of these, you can remember to check on Amazon before you place the order. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm really happy that this video is under 10 minutes long, and I don't want to ruin that, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, bye bye.